What's up, guys? Welcome to my first top 5. Today, I'm doing top 5 fastest birds. I really like birds, so that's why I'm doing it. In 5th place, we have the spur-winged goose. The spur-winged goose is a large bird in the family Anatidae, related to the geese and shelducks, but distant from both of these in a number of anatomical features, and therefore treated in its own subfamily. The Plectropterni, it occurs in wetlands throughout sub-Saharan Africa. The fastest recorded speed is 105 kilometers an hour, 65 miles an hour. In 4th place, we have the white-rumped swift. The white-rumped swift is a small swift. Although this bird is superficially similar to a house martin, it is not closely related to that passerine species. The resemblances between the swallows and the swifts are due to convergent evolution reflecting similar lifestyles. The fastest ever recorded speed of a white-rumped swift is around 129 kilometers an hour, which is 80 miles an hour. In 3rd place, we have the red-breasted merganser. The red-breasted merganser was originally described under its current scientific name by Linnaeus in his 18th century work Systema Naturae. The fastest ever recorded speed is 160 kilometers an hour or 100 miles an hour. In a very respectable spot, the 2nd spot, we have the white-throated needletail. The white-throated needletail, also known as needle-tailed swift or spine-tailed swift, is a large swift. It is commonly reputed to reach velocities of up to 170 kilometers an hour or 105 miles an hour. That is also the fastest ever recorded speed of one. And the winner of today's countdown is actually one of my favourite birds. It is the peregrine falcon. The peregrine falcon, also known as the peregrine and historically as the duck hawk in North America, is a widespread bird of prey in the family Falconidae. A large crow-sized falcon, it has a blue-grey back, barred white underparts, and a black head and a moustache. As is typically of bird-eating raptors, peregrine falcons are especially dimorphic, females being considerably larger than males. The peregrine is renowned for its speed, reaching over 322 kilometers an hour, which is 200 miles an hour, during its characteristic hunting stoop, making it the fastest member of the animal kingdom. There is no fastest recorded speed, but it could be from 322 kilometers an hour all the way up to 563 kilometers an hour, which is 200 miles an hour up to 350 miles per hour.
Another win for nature's Top Gun.
So guys, hope you enjoyed. That was top 5 fastest birds. Please tune in for more top 5s. Like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.